Welcome back, everybody. Look at that big guy. Whoop, whoop. It's a beautiful day outside. What is it? 60 degrees, sunny and warm. We're about to go get something to eat to a new place we haven't been to. We're going to go give it a shot. It's called Funky Chicken or something. Smoking Chicken. We'll know when we walk up to it because I forgot. Got the Dirty Bird Saloon. Uh-oh. That's nice, nice place. Really like it. Uh-oh. That's the Dirty Bird. Ow. Look at all the quarters on the floor. Look.
It's stuck. I think they glued it.
Hey guys, coming down to Dirty Bird, get some fried chicken, cold beer.
There you go.
Hey guys, coming down to Dirty Bird, get some fried chicken, cold beer. There you go.
Food was good. Chicken was excellent. And them muffins, I don't know what they make them muffins out of. Maybe crack, I don't know. But there we go. At the Dirty Bird in Germantown in Louisville. Check it out. It's a nice place. It ain't bad. It ain't Tim Tams no more. It's the Dirty Bird. All right, so we'll see y'all here in just a few minutes.